Right, so hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to remove background from a image file. So we are not going to use any external online sources, we are just going to use Word. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Word. Okay, so you're just going to create a blank document. Okay, here you're going to go into insert right there, and then you're going to go into pictures. Okay, go into desktop or wherever you filed your image is safe and click on that and click on insert. So here you can see I have a kind of white background right there. Okay, so once this picture has been imported, okay, you have this picture tools. Okay, this picture tools selected, a new tab, and you can see the first one, it says remove background. Click on that. Okay, and you can see it does remove it, but not as well. So you can go into these mark areas to keep. Okay, and then you can slowly like remove the areas you want to keep. Okay, and you can go into mark areas you want to remove, and then you can remove it like slowly. See? Okay, so for me this is perfect enough, so I'm just going to click on keep changes, and basically so I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click on save as picture, and then I'm going to save it in my desktop. Just click on car. I'm just going to rename the file, and it's going to be saved as PNG, guys, or you can just change it to JPEG or whatever. I prefer PNG because that's where all the quality is, and just click on save. So now I close this, don't save, since we have already saved the picture, and you can see here the background is removed. So you click open that photos, and basically I could have done better on these tires and whatnot. So it takes time, but you'll get, if the time you spend, the better the image you'll get. So this is a very short and simple tutorial just to help you guys remove the background, and that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.